What's going on, guys? This is Chamberlain. I'm going to be reacting to Visions of Atlantis' song, Master the Hurricane. Without further ado, let's get right into the video, or music video. Apparently it's supposed to be some pirate band or whatever. I mean, it sounds pretty cool. We'll see. Oh, wow. Woo! They're dressed up in full pirate gear and everything. It's awesome. Okay, hold on a second. Before it gets too much hype. Man, they're all dressed up in their pirate garb and everything, looking like Jack Sparrow got everybody together and started a band. Let's get back onto this video, man. I'm pumped. Oop. Oh, they just went from female to male vocals. I was not expecting that at all. I thought it was just going to be straight female vocals all the way through. Oh man, this song is getting me pumped up. No reason whatsoever. Okay, that part right there just gave me some chills, man. Like when they come in with that, with that chunkiness. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oh, all right, man. I'm sorry for pausing too much. I just hyped. Song is amazing. This band is amazing. The way that the female and the male vocals just all intertwined just made this song amazing. Just 'cause it's all nice and silent right now. Oof.
Walking the meadows of bliss that hide in my heart. Ashes have covered the fields and painted all dark. So this was not a dream.
Oh, I didn't expect the whole fire. Oop. Okay, alright, that's the last time I'm gonna pause it. Oh, this song just makes you want to sing along to it and just makes you want to get entwined into the song. This band makes you feel like, you know, you're right there with them. It's just amazing. Simply amazing. And with the little lighter deal earlier, I didn't think the whole ship was going to set afire, so I didn't do it. I didn't do it. Well, I guess that is it. The video just ended. Alrighty. That was Visions of Atlantis, Master of the Hurricane. I do appreciate y'all hanging out, stopping by. Go ahead and drop me a like, comment, and subscribe to see what I'm doing wrong. I just need some corrective criticism. Everything helps. I do appreciate y'all stopping by, hanging out. I appreciate every single one of you. Alright, peace.